Hey vlog, so today is Tuesday, January 2nd. OMG, that feels so weird to say. But today I'm going ice skating and this is the fit. I got this puffer that's my mom's. I got this like Old Navy sweater, a black Pro Club, and then Hollister jeans. And then I got my favorite shoes. And yeah, I'm ready to go ice skating. I don't know about you, but we're going on a train, you guys. That's my first time going on a train. I'm so excited. If I'm talking weird, it's because I have my retainers in. SMH. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the train. So I actually did change outfits because the outfit I had on was too thick and I felt like I was being suffocated. But basically I just kept the Old Navy sweater and kept the Pro Club, and I changed my shoes to my white Adidas. You'll see a picture now. Well, you see a picture regardless. And yeah, I'll see you on that train. Hey vlog, we are at Hanford Wonderland, right? Winter Wonderland. We're at the train station. This is the view, low key. And yeah, I just got off the train, feeling good, feeling excited. Hey vlog, I'm at McDonald's. I got a French fry. Yeah, I have the barbecue sauce on it. I love barbecue sauce on my fries, so I'm eating it. I just finished eating and I had a large fry and an ice cream. So good. But the plan is that we're gonna go to this coffee shop, and then after that we're gonna go ice skating. And yeah, I'm excited, y'all. But I'll see you when we get to that cafe. Hey vlog, we're in the coffee shop. My lips look so chapped, but I'm freezing. My nose is a little red. You know, that's okay. This is what the coffee shop looks like. So cute. It's really cute. I think it's a small business. But yeah, I'm very excited to go explore. I think we're gonna go shopping too. Like just like walking around the stores. So hopefully there's like a cute store and I get something. And yeah. Hey vlog, I'm freezing. I'm with my brother. Say hi. Boot the boot. This is our shoes.
High heels
right?
on my tippies.
I'm ready to do it. I think I can do it, y'all. I really think I can do it.
Stop chasing me. I don't know you. No.
Hey vlog. So I finished ice skating. We're getting food at this taco truck. Dude, I fell and ate it and landed on my freaking wrist. Hurts so bad. But you know, you gotta deal with it. But I'm waiting for my order. So basically I ordered a asada quesadilla and I'm ready to grub. We're gonna get our food, go on the train, eat on there, and then go home. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the train. Hey blog, it is 8:19 and I think this is going to be it for today's vlog. I really do hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you next vlog. Bye guys.